All right, so welcome to this week's Unikernel application spotlight. This week we're looking at Arturo. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think this is a Spanish male name, Arturo. So yeah, basically it's a quick little scripting language. I guess the focus here is mainly on readability and so forth, making it like kind of super easy to adopt, but it also builds itself as kind of very quick for a bytecode VM, which is interesting. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Even these binaries that you can download, like these Linux ones, even these are, 4 meg, but you can go down to this mini and it's like 2 meg, not even 2 meg. So it is pretty small based upon that. Their GitHub is here. I guess it's been around for a few years, but they have quite a bit of documentation. So this is kind of the standard lib, and it has a bunch of stuff in it. I was mainly looking at socket related stuff earlier because, again, like what we do, generally we want something that can talk across the network if we're going to use it for something. And so that's whenever I look at these new languages or new projects, that's like the very first thing that I'm looking at. So, but that's just me. But yeah, they got some, crypto, and then they got some database stuff. So that's all good. A lot of it's written in NIM, which is another kind of somewhat obscure language. We actually support NIM, and there's I think it's like a ETL processing pipeline project. We have a couple of NIM packages, put it that way. But this language is also written in NIM. You can get it at the package repository. Obviously, let's go ahead and take a look at it real quick. All right, so the hello world is just hi, right? So we can go ahead and run that. Let's do this. Da, da, da. So our hello world config is pretty simple. We're just passing in the file we want to run and then saying it to the first arg, right? So it's pretty straightforward. Boots it up, says hello, boots down. Pretty straightforward. What about a web server? So this is the one I spent a few minutes just kind of checking out. Let me pull this up. This probably the standard lib might need to be tweaked a little bit, but this was kind of like some basic server web server code that I found in their documentation. So they actually have quite good documentation. But yeah. So this will just pop up on 8080, and then it'll respond to these 3 routes. Your get for the root, and this to get a post, and then like if you actually want to post the some test file. So it's pretty straightforward. Same thing again. We're going to run it, and this time I'm just giving it a new config because it has the web, so it's up and running. We'll go ahead and pop a request in here. So we go ahead and get in there, and I did not open up port. So now it's actually responding, which is great. But yeah, this is a pretty sweet little language, and we can check, see how much we actually stuffed in there. Let's see this guy, right? So yeah, all in all, it clocks down to around 10 meg. I think it uses libpcre and a few other libraries there, but all in all, pretty small and straightforward. I think the emphasis on, just kind of quick and simple scripting, and yet a little bit fast. I think that's a good emphasis to bend upon. But yeah, this was running the Arturo programming language as a Nanos Unikernel. And until next week.